In this video, you are going to learn about L'Oreal's True Match Eye Cream in a Concealer. I will go over swatches, talk about the benefits, and apply it on my face to give you an idea of how this looks. So if you are interested, please continue watching. I love items that serve more than one purpose, and this is why I love L'Oreal Paris's True Match Eye Cream Concealer, because you've got an hydrating moisturizer eye cream blended with a concealer that will help target those dark circles. And this product is seriously one of a kind. Before we get started, I want to say hello. It's nice to meet you. My name is Debbie Savage. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, I provide helpful tips on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, specifically for women over the age of 40 like me. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing and press that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Here's what the package looks like. It's nice and small, and it has a little peekaboo window to give you an idea of what the shade looks like. And here is what the eye cream and concealer looks like. It's nice and compact, perfect for travel, has a twist top lid, and there you go. So this concealer, eye cream and concealer, is really awesome because it is hydrating. It has 1.5% hyaluronic acid, which helps to improve the moisture in your skin by drawing in moisture and decreasing water loss from the skin surface. Not only does this eye cream in a concealer get rid of those pesky dark circles, it provides 24-hour hydration. Your skin looks less puffy within a week, and it looks more refreshed when applied. Now that I've given you the important tidbits of L'Oreal Paris True Match Eye Cream and Concealer, it's time to put this thing to the test. It's time to have some fun. I am going to come back without any makeup, a fresh face, and provide swatches and actually test it under my eye to give you a full review and look. L'Oreal is so great because in this product they have this feature called True to You shades. There are 14 different shades to match your skin tone and undertones. Skin tones such as fair, medium, which is what I am, and dark. And then the undertones is cool, neutral, and warm, and we're going to discuss how to determine which undertone you are. This is very tricky. I have been studying this for quite a while, but I think I finally got it. Which undertone do you think I am? Warm, cool, or neutral? Let's put this to the test. Now, I am filming at night and I don't have natural sunlight going on, but to figure out your undertone, which is really important to discover which shades are right for you, you have to figure out that aspect of your skin. So make sure to look at your veins in natural light, and then that way it will give you a more honest indicator of the color of your veins. So let's start with cool people. So those who are cool toned look the best in silver jewelry, and your skin does burn easily and your veins look more blue. For those who are warm, you tan very well, you don't burn, and gold just looks fabulous on you. And then for those who are neutral tone, what do you think? Well, if you've guessed that they have a vein coloring of both green and blue, you're correct. You tend to tan easily, but after a while your skin could burn. Out of the 14 available shades, I have here the 3 in medium, and the tones available are neutral, warm, and cool. I'm going to provide a swatch of these colors on my wrist to give you an idea of how these shades look. Before we start, I wanted to show you my green veins, which indicate that my undertone is warm. So if you can see right here, I'm a veiny person, but this is clearly green. So if you've got veins that look something like this, you have warm undertones. All right, so let's get started with the swatches. We are gonna first start the cool undertone in medium called the C56. Here is what it looks like. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my finger, give you a preview of how this color looks. Again, this is C5 through 6 for medium skin tone. So let's just swipe it right here. And this is what, can you see it? There we go. This is what the color looks like. Okay, next we are gonna do the warm and 5 through 6. This is what I am, and I'm excited to see how this looks. So I'm gonna dab again a little bit on my finger and swipe it next. There we go. I'm gonna swipe it next to the cool tone swatch. So can you see that? There we go. There's quite a difference right there. And this swatch here, again, is called the W5 through 6 for medium skin tone. Okay, and last, let's try out the neutral. It's N5 through 6, medium skin tone. This finger is clean, so let's put it on my ring finger. And let's swipe it, swatch it against the first two. So there you go. I think even during the artificial lighting of my office, you still can see the difference of the 3 undertones in medium. First with cool, the middle one is warm, and the last one is in neutral. All right, we are up close and personal. I am super shiny because their air conditioning doesn't work. It's late in the day and I just got that glow on. So we're just gonna work with that. I want to show you how to apply it, how easy it is to apply it. And you know, I am questioning whether I am a warm or a neutral. So on one eye, I'm going to use the cool, no, not the cool tone, the warm undertone. And then the other eye, I want to use the neutral. And perhaps I could just pass and use both of them. So let's find out together. This product is so easy to use. You can use a brush or sponge. I'm gonna use my finger. I like to use that because the heat, the warmth of my finger kind of heats up the product and makes it apply more smoothly. So let's start with this eye, which is my right eye, and do the warm eye cream and a concealer. A little bit goes a long way. I've played with this a little bit, so it has incredible buildable coverage. And let's just put 3 little dots right here, right under your eye. And this is probably why I like using my fingers so much, because I can feel it and I can get close to my eye comfortably. And then you just want to gently blend it. Feels really great on. It glides very well. This product's goal is to target dark circles. I do have that right now. Let's see how effectively it works. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and again, on my right eye, this is the warm undertone. So what do you guys think? This is the warm 5 through 6. And let's try the neutral, because I'm so curious to see. I feel like, I don't know, before gold was trending, I wore silver all the time, silver jewelry. Now I wear all gold, but honestly, I feel like gold and silver is most flattering for me, even though my vein has more of a green tinge. But let's try the neutral concealer on my left eye. 3 dabs like before. Ooh, I did put a lot more this time. And use my ring finger to smooth it out. I think that's good, because I did put a little bit more this time. But here we have the warm, and here we have the neutral. So what do you guys think? Which undertone shade do you think looks best? I mean, I feel like this blends right into my skin tone really well. And then this kind, I don't know, it feels like it it's not as flattering. Like you can really see the product, probably because it's not the right shade. So I think this confirmed my decision that I have a warm undertone. So we are gonna stick with this medium W 5 through 6. What am I gonna do is clean my face and actually apply this on with a full face of makeup to give you the full look of how it will look with a full face of makeup. So I will be right back. Hi, I'm back. I have my full face of makeup on, and I wanted to do this to show you how the eye cream and concealer looked. I know when I was testing out the product, I did it fresh on my face, but to apply your makeup properly, you put your foundation and then second your eye concealer. So I wanted to do it correctly. I'm really happy that I decided to test out all 3 undertones and just confirmed my choice of warm undertone, because after applying it, I feel like it looks really natural, bright, but not, you know, too off, and really complimentary to my skin and just true to my skin. And I think that you will love this product. If you are looking for a concealer that has a more smooth consistency, then this one is the right one for you, because it has, again, that 5% hyaluronic acid, and it, you know, it functions as an eye cream and a concealer. I use my Tarte Shape Tape a lot, and I'm going to compare the two. The Tarte one, the formulation is a lot more thick, much more dense. A little goes a long way, and it's, if you are in a rush applying it or you prefer a more natural look, then definitely L'Oreal's True Match is the right one for you. And it looks great, it feels great. I'm so excited to find a shade that will be my go-to. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it, please give me a like and comment below if you are interested in trying True Match eye cream and concealer, and I will see you next my next video. Bye.